Dear children, last day I taught you in history impact of the October Revolution. After October Revolution began to start the civil war in Russian Revolution. Look at the page number 93, the civil war. When the Bolshevik ordered land redistribution, the Russian army broke up. The soldiers, mostly farmer peasants, deserted the army to take their share of land. Non-Bolshevik socialists, liberals and supporters of the autocracy opposed the Bolshevik uprising. Their leaders moved to South Russia and organized troops to fight Bolsheviks. Control of the Greens. The Greens means socialist revolutionaries, and white means pro-czarist. Control most of the Russian Empire during 1918 and 1919. They were backed by French, American, British and Japanese troops. These forces were worried at the growth of socialism in Russia. Civil war कहते हैं, a civil war ensued between these forces and the Bolsheviks. Supporters of the private property among white took harsh steps with peasants who had seized land. The Bolsheviks took control of the most of the former Russian Empire by January 1920. They succeed because of cooperation with non-Russian nationalities and Muslims jihadists. But the cooperation did not work where Russian colonists themselves turned Bolshevik in Khiva, Central Asia. Bolshevik colonists brutally massacred local nationalists in the name of defending socialism. Formation of Soviet Union. In December 1922, the Soviet Union USSR was formed from the Russian Empire. Most non-Russian nationalities were given political autonomy in this union to prevent oppression by the Russian colonists. But various unpopular policies of the Bolshevik mean that the attempt to win over different nationalities were only partially successful. Making a Soviet society. Making a socialist society. During the Civil War, the Bolsheviks took various steps. They kept industries and banks nationalized. They permitted peasants to cultivate the land and had been socialized. Bolsheviks used seized land to demonstrate what collective work would be. Centralized planning. A process of centralized planning was introduced by the Bolsheviks. The official plan for the development of the economy and make the 5-year plan. Industrial growth was target of the first two plans, 1927 to 32 and 1933 to 38. Industrial production increased during this period and new industrial cities came up. Poor working condition, but the rapid construction led to poor working condition. Workers' quarters were built in haphazard manner without giving proper attention to certain of facilities. Toilets and other conveniences were often made across the street from the living quarter. It often made for miserable life in the bitterly cold weather. Education and health. Schools were established for workers' children and an extended schooling system was developed for factory workers and peasants. Creches were made in factories for the benefit of the women workers. Cheap health care was provided by the government. Modern living quarters were set up for workers. The effect of all this was uneven, though, since government resources were limited. Now, next day, installing and cultivation.